Buddy, let's see, just make sure everything's working. I haven't been live in a while. Hello, it's audio. Hello, it's audio. Hello, hello, it's audio. I don't hear myself. That's not good. Hello. 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 Oh, it's my
Hello.
my sound was off. Okay, that's kind of stupid. Hi guys. I'm gonna ping. I didn't make a new thumbnail like the video stream because I like it. Streams. I'm concerned by what the title said. I don't see how the title is of any concern. Also, I didn't change the thumbnail because I don't want to. F11. But anyways, so airplanes. Now, I already made an airplane. This is an old model, hence why it looks pretty bad, but I already coded it in so that it actually flies and stuff, and I've already done a few little flights if I want to add weapon systems to it. So it's shift and control, throttle up, throttle down. If you're not flying, you can only turn side to side, but you can't pitch up or roll. Then if you throttle up enough, then you should start flying, and then you can fly around. The controls, they're not amazing, but they're fine for now. Then wait, I gotta make this one fast, so we can fly all around the place. Whew, this is fast. Just imagine, like, that's close. And then, okay, I landed on this island, but I want to try landing on this one. Well, there's 2 runways on this one. I'm having so much fun just flying the airplane. Maybe this is a bit too fast. Planes, they are pretty quick. I'm gonna make it so they're like super expensive, but fun. So now you can just fly under the water, but that'll probably maybe change. And also, technically you can't die. Are you not worried what happened with the carrier? No, I'm not worried with the carriers. I already landed on a carrier. I could show that. So here, I just want to try landing on this. On here. Let's just use rudder. It's so unrealistic, but I don't care. It's fun. Now the stall speed is about 91. So if we go here and then under 91, we'll kind of, not that realistic, but hey, it works, okay? It works. Then here, let's take off and we'll fly over to the other island, and then I'll show carrier. Even though I'd love to watch the whole stream, I have to soon. Don't we all have to soon? Quite interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna show carrier. Then we'll actually start working on weapons and the fun stuff. Now the camera does get really weird when going high, like what is happening? And that's just Roblox's problem. Ooh, I went a bit too high. And now you won't, oh yeah, and when pitching down a lot. Even first person spazzes out. So annoying, but let's just not go straight up for now. Like, there's no speed gained or lost when you pitch up or down yet, so you can kind of just do whatever. You can fly upside down. Okay, I'm just gonna land it and then spawn a. Technically, the carrier I built, it's a helicopter carrier. Ooh, way too quick. Nosedive. Oh, crap. Why can't I throttle? Oh, it's shift. Right, I keep forgetting. Okay. Stop. There we go, perfect. I kinda pressed Control A by accident. Okay, let's just spawn a carrier. I'll just have a helicarrier. It's supposed to be for helicopters. And that's like, put it at like 37. And then we'll get airplanes. And I'll try to land. Yeah, still a bit of work to be done. But it works. Barely. But it works. That was close, got the wheels a bit wet. So now the carrier is moving. Now, the plane does get really wonky on the carrier. Kind of. Actually, it's not terrible. But, like, it's not good either. So if we just... Crap, I pressed Control A again. It's like if we... stop. Like, we're going 40 knots right now. But if we, like, actually stop... Because the carrier is moving underneath of us. So it goes really wonky. Oh, there's a missing C tile. Huh. Okay, anyways. Weapons. Now let's do some weapons. So, for the plane, I'll just add a model. And I'll just call this guns. And then we'll have, I'll just make a little part. Where is its look? Where's it looking to? We need to get... So I didn't really check my audio well, so I hope it's fine. Where's part face selector? Perfect. Front. Where is the front face? Okay, that's the front face. Rotate that. And then scale it so it's small. I did not know what did. Hey, did not know you did. But real quick, how did you get your entire studio looking polished? It's just the new GUIs or something that Roblox released. It just appeared. I think they're slowly rolling it out to people. So, kind of just have to wait. But, okay, where are the guns? 'Cause I know in World War II planes, they're like out here. Let's put them like up here for jet fighters. Now I know this model looks terrible, but I don't care. It's not even connected. I don't really care. It just has to be about estimate. So we'll do 1. Call this one 2. Okay, so then we have to... Why's the stuff up here for it? Not down there. Kind of weird. Script. Okay, so if they sit down in a seat, and that is the airplane main seat, then we just bind the actions for the throttle up, down, then rolling, and then we have to detect when they click. So we can do context action service bind action fire guns, and then we'll do just function. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Function fire plane guns. Then we'll grab these parameters here. And then fire, plane guns. Sure, we'll make buttons for mobile. And then enum dot keycode dot. Should I have it click? I kind of want it to be click. Oh, or any user input type dot mouse button 1, and then sure for the mobile people, even though it's gonna be terrible on mobile. Enum dot user input type dot touch. Right click maybe? Oh, I'll probably have right click for something else, like targeting or something later on. For now, I'll just do normal click. So we'll just like print fire the guns. And then we'll have to do, I'll just have remote events in here. This game will probably be terrible for mobile. It will be. Like, I'll make it somewhat playable for mobile, but if you genuinely want to play this game, you have to be on PC. And that's just how it is. So, kind of sucks for them, but I'll try to make it somewhat playable, but there'll be very limited features. Okay, so then we'll do, I'll call this fire guns. And then we'll do, yeah, have it so when you hold, it'll just automatically fire, so you don't have to click each time to fire. So B, we'll just do seat. Also, I recommend you make a folder for the map. I do have folders for the map. These are just random other stuff that I haven't, I'm too lazy to put in a folder for now. But it's fine. It's not hurting anything. Okay, we'll just do seat. When I do seat, oh, because seat's not defined. Humanoid dot seat part dot fire guns fire server with these parameters dot key code. Ooh, because it's click, will it? Object dot key code. Will it actually print like key code? Because it's user input type, not key code. Oh, I was in the middle of the sky. Oops. Plop over here. Now we'll play here. So I don't want to walk all the way over here. enum.keycode.unknown. Okay, because click is the only one being bind. We only should do input state. And then when they leave, we'll unbind. Fire guns. Now on the server, where's the script for the airplanes? Airplane. On the server, we will have it so. A lot of code. I know a lot of if statements. It's ugly. We'll just do it up here. Seat dot up, not update. Seat dot. Was it fire guns dot on server events connect function. I'm just gonna like. Actually, it should just be player and state. Player and the state. So if they started pressing it or let go. So when they start, then we'll do, okay, so we'll do local firing equals false. So whenever they'll fire the gun, whenever they're holding down, this will be true. So we'll do if, well, first off, we want to grab this just to make sure they're not firing exploits. So they can't fire the guns of other planes, only the planes that people are sitting in. So we'll do, yeah. If state equals enum.userinput state.begin, then firing equals true, else if state. Tomorrow I might try airplanes with somewhat realistic aerodynamics. Good luck, because it's a lot of math, and I tried doing it with mine. The lift calculation, the calculation for the lift is realistic. So it's like, down here I have it for this. So we have, this is the like angle of attack. And then we have air density in the workspace, so I can change the amount of air density, then their speed squared halved, and then multiplied by the wing area of the airplane. So, good luck. So I don't need that. Okay, else if state equals enum.userinput state.end, then firing equals false. I'll also just grab a reload time. Local gun reload time equals. Just use your old boats. Oh yes, of course. Perfect airplanes. So gun reload time will be. Actually, I could make the lift a tiny bit more accurate. Just by doing where's the lift? Where's the lift? This look vector dot y. Yeah, just look vector dot y. So if I did y vector or dot up vector dot y. Let's try that. Up vector dot y. And then the code I wrote shouldn't change anything. That should be less lift when you roll. So if we go throttle up, up vector dot y. Oh, actually that messes a lot of other things. Yeah, it doesn't need to be there, so we don't need it. Look vector dot y. Okay, so oh no, it should be up vector dot x. Kind of weird, but that, do you want? It's fine. So we'll do. Wow, it's on here. I'm gonna open my door a tiny bit. Can't think straight. Okay. Get a bit of air. So we'll just get reload time. So I'll just make another attribute on the airplane. I'll just call gun reload time. I'll have it at like 0.1 second. So we will do gun reload time should equal seat.parent get attribute gun reload time. And then let's grab the main module real quick. Local main module equals require doing about server script service dot main module. I'm gonna use the same code that I use for the turrets. You can actually damage the ships as well, but the damage will be pretty small. Or is that a bad idea? It's fine. If it causes problems, I can change it. What am I looking for? Firing, right. And a bit of a blank. So we'll do in the step function, so this is all the movement. And now we'll do the weapons. So we need to... how do I undo this? So we'll loop through all of the main guns. So we'll do 4 R, B, and C. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Local plane is C.parent. I can just do plane. 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 And then in a plane dot guns get children, and V is a base part. So we'll do we need I? I don't think I actually need I. So it'll loop through the guns. Bam, 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 bam. So we'll do actually we should do if firing, then loop through the guns. So we'll only loop if we're actually firing. And then let's have a little... do we need a table? I don't know, do we? Yeah. So local gun to bounce is the table. And then we do need I. And then we'll do if gun to bounce I. Then if gun to bounce, then continue. And so if I, which is the gun, if it's in the table and it's equal to true, then it'll just skip it. So then we'll have to do fire the gun. So we'll do this. We'll just print firing gun I, or we'll just do V. The gun to bounce I is true. Wait, 0.1 gun to bounce I false. Now, do we need to spawn this? Let's also use task.way. Now, does this need to be in a separate thread? Let's find out. I would assume so. So if I click, bam, 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 bam. Okay. Well, first of all, I'll not print the speed. I can stop printing speed. Thing goes ba-bam, 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 ba-bam. Which is actually exactly what we want. Yeah. Like, okay, let's just try it. So we can do, let's open up main module. Dear main module in the fire turret. Just the turret, and then the turret we have to give it damage and speed. Which will have damage to be pretty low, and then I'll give planes HP be pretty low too. So we'll do in the plane. We'll grab these. We'll just set attribute. Was it speed and damage? Should we give the speed? They'll be pretty quick at like 1500. That would be like 2. Maybe could use the missiles. Yeah, I do plan to add missiles. Just trying to get the guns finished. I gotta go. Alright, see ya. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I need to actually call the function. That would be pretty important. We actually have to main module fire the turret and then V. That should actually work. Huh. That was odd. Oh, error. Barrels. Oh. That's weird. So this should be... Ooh, is this a hacky workaround? Oh dear. Oh, that's gonna mess up with the attribute names. I really thought more people would be watching this. It says 1 person watching, so I guess I'm not that entertaining. But it's fine, I'm enjoying this. A bit hot. I can't really think straight right now, but it's fine. Okay, there's 2 people. YouTube's lying. Believe it or not, not a lot of people like watching other people code. It's kind of boring, but... Okay, so we need... so loop through the barrels, so the plain gun. Okay. And then this is the turret. So this needs to have speed and damage. So that can be like 2. Oh, dog. Crap. Okay, it's fine. 1500. We'll do that. My little brother's friends are here. Still errors. Barrels is not a valid member of workspace.gun.barrels. Turret.barrels. Turret. So this is... Did you hear that? I said I'm pretty good. Plane.guns. So... Wait, what? That's... What? Hold on. Huh? Dude, let's just treat it as it has 1, in quote, turret. Oh no, that won't work. That's just so weird. Main module fired. Oh, so V is gun. Hold on. To loop through. Frick, why did I have to add the barrel stuff? That's just whack. Okay, let's just do actually module fire plane. And we'll get barrel. Let's kind of hippity hoppity. Control C. Control V. kind of bad because this is literally the exact same code. So I could just do like local function fire bullet. Plop that. Turret. That's weird. No, I'm not gonna do that. Because I am super inefficient. So we'll just do barrel. 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 Okay, that's fine. Delete that. And it should work. I hope. Someone said something. Feedback. I won't show the feedback. Ooh, it says I'm streaming. That's nice. How do I get crew members? And then about half an hour later, never mind about how to get crew. I think they watched my video. Okay, well, let's try it again. Oh, they're not anchored. Eek. Okay. Ah, the joys. Where's... There we go. Where is... Okay, what was the error? Attempt to index nil. Fire. Plane gun. There we go. Called the right function this time, not the wrong one. And it should work fine. And the barrels are not. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do I hope this doesn't able to exploitable English, but barrel or no bullet set network owner player. Oh. Why do I not have the player anywhere? That's weird. Let's just do okay, then we'll just do player. Player equals player. This is such a bad workaround, but I don't really care anymore. That sounds really cool, I gotta admit. And now if we just grab a weld. Let's try to kill an NPC. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, I think the bullets are running into other bullets. Holy crap! That is a lot of... Holy crap, that is a fast gun. NPC in sights. Now this is so not realistic, but... Ready? Now they won't actually fire at me, but... I think I missed. Okay, let's just slow down. Okay, ready? We're gonna go super slow until we hit our stall speed. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. Maybe they had a realistic. I mean, the realistic part, the planes, their guns, like, they wouldn't be attacking a ship with their guns, they'd be using missiles. But that's the only unrealistic part about it. That's just... I wonder, does this even do any damage? Actually, I could probably just... Crap, I pressed Control A again. Did I do Control D? I better not have. Bro, unselect. Deselect. I want to deselect stuff. Stupid. Roblox is actually... Thank you, Roblox, for being such an amazing platform. Okay, let's try that a second time. But, that is pretty fun. That is so fun. Okay, we gotta get the air, get the boat. Look how far it it's just like a death ray. Definitely gonna nerf this a tiny bit. Laser beam gun? Exactly. Let's go just in time to stall. Like, how much health does this ship have? I just hear explosions in the distance. Oh, yeah, get on my level, ship. Oh no! Okay. Okay, now I really want to see if we can actually sink it. Uh-oh. Okay. It's so fast, like, I can just barely hold. Okay, let's nerf it a tiny bit. Okay, actually, if I do, like, damage to, like, 100. Okay, then I will do gun reload time to, like, 3. But if I put damage to, like, 100, just will this actually sink a ship? That's what I'm curious about. Oh yeah, something didn't seem right. Yeah, the reload to bounce is off. Yeah. Okay, but so let's just proceed. Yeah, I'll fix the reload. Oh, it can sink ships! Okay. Yeah, so it's firing each gun every physics frame. So we gotta do the debounce. So if gun to bounce I, then, so if this I, which is like 1 or 2, so if it exists, then we'll just skip it. If not, you fire it. Oh, it should actually task.wait. Gun reload time. So we wait that, then we set it to false. Okay, let's just also do, let's just print gun to bounce, which is a table. Oh, there we go. So it wasn't broken. Why is it going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4? Oh, maybe because of... Oh, it's yielding, that's why. It's yielding for a second, so it messes out. So you have to just spawn. And then this is a function. So we'll put this in a different thread. I zoomed out. Okay. So it's getting caught up on that. Spawn function requires 1 argument. Function. But this is a function. But okay, fine. We'll do it their way. We'll do it their way. There we go. Bit more balanced. Yikes. Ooh, the viewers jumped up to 3 now. I wonder if that's just YouTube being YouTube or is it actual people. Okay, let's try and... Ah! I hit it. Okay. Okay, I'll make it a bit faster. So like, this is pretty cool. My aim is super bad. It's nowhere near that laser beam. Slow down. Ah, I clicked. Uh-oh, I clicked Control A, and did I do Control D? I just did Control D. Okay, so now there's 2 of everything in the world. Oh dear. Nice and high. Hello. So annoying. That's a bad thing about having Control as a key. Can't do Control A when I'm testing it. It would be it's perfectly fine in an actual, if you're just playing it. But okay, I'll buff it a tiny bit. Like 1.5. Actually, let's see what 1 is. Like, what's 1? I've been working on my game for the past 2 or 4 or 3 hours. That's good. I hope you got a lot of work done on it. There we go. Okay. Hunt the submarine. See, it's when we see the submarine, we go for the submarine. Okay, now let's... now how do I actually code this into the game? Okay, I made an airplane. I kind of got a bit distracted, so I made an airplane. But now how does the airplane fit in with the gameplay? Let's make OOP airplane. I am overjoyed with excitement. Yay. You can spawn it on carriers. Yes, what a great idea. Okay, we first need to, airplane object. So this is airplane, so we'll do function module, not there, down here, function module dot new. So this will make a new airplane class, airplane class. So we just wanna local self is blank table, return set meta table self and meta table with the index equals module. And now what do we need in the airplane? We will need, I don't know yet. We'll just do the self dot model. Well, here, the self dot type. And we'll need the type. And we'll just call this the, what should the plane be called? What should the airplane be called? Let's just call it fighter jet. Gunner plane? Sure, fighter. I'll just call it fighter for now. Type equals type. Let's do, and then we'll also need, yeah, I'll just call it fighter for now. But soon I'll like make a bunch of different types of airplanes and all that stuff. But for now, it's just one. So we also will need, so part of the airplane, part of the airplane. What do we need? So, okay, so we'll have a function of module spawn, then the C frame, function module spawn, and then we will, this be, whenever we call this, we could do like, so basically what this is, we're in another script, we can do like local plane equals plane.new, and then we get this table, which also does this, so we can do plane colon spawn, and when we do that, this runs. Are you gonna add missions and extend the map? Yeah, probably. So when we spawn it, we could just get the C-frame. Now for carriers, the carriers are whack because they move, okay? So if you're moving and you spawn a plane, they'll just kind of fall off. Missions will make it more playable and less boring. Yeah, I do want to add missions. Okay, so when we call this function, we will... So we will get... Okay, so we'll also need trove. So we do local trove is require. We'll also need replicated storage. Local replicated storage service. Replicated storage. Trove replicated storage dot trove. I gotta go. Goodbye and good luck on your fun endeavors. Thank you very much. Let's hope my fun endeavors end up well. I have been pinged. Interesting. Okay, so we'll get Trove. When we spawn, we will get the actual fighter, and we'll do self dot model is nil. So then we'll do. So first we'll get the fighter. Let's plop the fighter into replicated storage folder. Planes. Where's my airplane? Hey, don't do that. Planes. If you need help with GUI, I can help you. I'm available on Discord. I think for the GUI, I'd be fine for now, but thanks for offering. Okay, so we'll grab, local. Okay, so just do local model. Will be replicated storage. I like a lot of variables, so let's do local plane full equals replicated storage dot planes. So we'll do planes folder dot self dot type, and then if you don't know, in case what self is this self is equal to what this is, and because this is the index of this meta table, it is this table, which I also named self, but it doesn't really matter. This can be named anything. Which then when we do self.type, it's this table dot type is this. Pretty cool. So we'll grab that and we'll need to clone it. Clone. And then we'll do self dot. Oh yeah, we'll also need to do self dot trove should equal trove dot new. That's, if you don't know what trove is, it's basically a garbage can. Self dot model should equal model, and then also self dot trove. Is it like add model? You know you're competing against other Strikeforce games, right? I mean, there's always competition. There isn't a lot of, for the exact type that I'm making, I have yet to find one there's some that are similar, which that's why I want to try to make mine significantly better, but there's always competition. I'm competing against every single other game. But either way, I still like doing it. Okay, so then we'll do what do we need to do? Place it there. So we'll do model pivot to C-frame. That should be it actually. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now we'll need to what next? Damage. So the plane can take damage. What is Strikeforce? Strikeforce. It is my new game I've been working on. It is currently released in a very early stage, and I'm just working on adding a bunch of cool new features. features to it. So yeah. Okay, and then we'll do what is it about? It's like ships and stuff. And like basically modern naval warfare. Module damage amount. Ooh, function module. Module damage amount. And then that will be self.hp. Neo Warfare type game? I think so. I haven't really played Neo Warfare much, but it's kind of like that. I think. I don't know. I haven't. Not really. Yeah, I've never really played that game, so I can't really say. Played like once. Zelda HP. What should the HP be? Storage. Planes folder. Type. Get attribute. HP. There we go. HP. 500 HP? Also like 100. They're a little weak. They're fast, but they're weak. They're kind of hard to control for now because I don't want to deal with mouse vectoring. Actually, mouse vectoring wouldn't be too hard. No, I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole today. Another day. Damage self.hp should minus the amount. Simple. I'm going to do function module colon. What should I call this? This is for when you just destroy. So we will do. This is when we run out. We can do. Holy crap! Brothers are loud. Guess you gotta close the door. Oops! I broke something. Gonna get super hot. How do you drive spacecrafts? Well, that should be my next tutorial video. You just... I don't even really know. You just sit in the seat, press anchor, and press random buttons and see what they do. If self.hp is less than 0, then self-destroy. So when the plane dies, we will do print gone L. And then we can do just task.wait 1. What we'll do here, we'll do self for underscore vn self dot model get descendants. Oh, I spelled it right? That's rare. 2. Can't find Strikeforce. It's published under the group. We'll do if vcon is a base part, then v dot material equals enum dot, it's like material dot corroded metal. Self dot model dot self.model dot seat airplane main dot lift destroy Roy. It's gonna error a bunch for the control. If not lift velocity return. Actually, then we'll have to disconnect local. Just no. Can I? You can do that. That's cool. RB script signal. Pretty awesome. That'll just be so it won't error. So we'll destroy that. Task.wait like 5 seconds, and then self.trove destroy. Okay, so now when we damaging the airplane, how fun. Module colon explode shell. Warn the damage. Damage. Okay. Plane. Yes, this is an airplane. If part parent colon get to plane, then it's an aeroplane. Yeah, so if it's an airplane, then we will. There's a cache and everything. Okay. How fun. Want me to model a pickaxe? The current one is just 2 cylinders. If you really want to, then sure. Okay. Guess we'll have to have the cache for the airplanes. Module.plane cache. So when we spawn the airplane, we'll also have to do main module dot plane cache dot player self dot player equals player self dot player should equal self. Yes, okay. And then we need to do I'm not gonna add NPC airplanes. I'm just not going to, okay? Maybe later, but not right now. Nice bot. Goodbye. But that'll be later. Five people watching. That's pretty nice. Just watch me kind of sit here type words onto a screen. Yeah, so then we'll do... I don't need that. Explode shell, that's where it was. Explode shell. If it is an aeroplane, then... What do we do if it's an airplane? We will get the... So we'll do local... Ah, but then we won't know, like, what? Whose plane it is? Module.local plane class equals module.ship_cache plane part.parent name. I'm going to use bad naming conventions. Self.model.name self.player.name. Yes. Plane class. Now we can do plane class damage. But get attribute damage. That should damage the airplane. And now we need to, I'm just gonna add a little brick here. So let's have like a click detector and then a script and then a part over here which I will call yes. Don't matter, these are all getting deleted. And then we will just do script.parent.clickDetector.mouseClickConnect function. I see a random boat going around. Oh yeah, it's a little NPC. Don't go too close to them though. They're pretty upset and angry. Okay, so when you click on it, let's also grab the player who does it, and then we'll spawn an airplane. We will just grab the local, I don't even know what to call it. Yeah, it's required to game dot server script service dot airplanes dot airplane. Yeah dot local plane equals yeah dot new. Type is fighter and player. Plane spawn on workspace dot what do you even call it? Yes dot cframe. And if we click on it, I forgot to set the parent to workspace. Oops. Airplane. We will just do model.parent workspace. There we go. Okay, now this should work. I hope. Bam. Airplane. Okay, now what I'll do is, okay, first off, it kind of spawned in the ground, so I'm just gonna like 180 degrees, place it like here, can glide off anchored, yeah. So I'm just gonna grab this, paste it over here, right by the brick, and then test. 2 players. Sure. Oh, don't do this, Roblox. Please. Thank you. Oh, which one? Roblox. Frick you, Roblox. Fix your stupid GUI. It's been doing this so much. Sorry, guys. This is like a pain to watch. But Roblox can't fix their stupid GUI. So annoying. Crap. Like, really, Roblox? Are you sure you don't want help with the GUI? It's Roblox GUI. It's like this. That's the problem. Okay, so if I spawn an airplane, and then I move it here, then I stop, and I go here, and then this guy spawns an airplane. If I... Okay, let's try something. Let's make this guy take off. Okay, let's make him go super slow. There's 2 players in your game. Yeah, I know. It's me and other me. Okay, let's try and damage this airplane. Okay, let's like speed up. Let's go like under. Let's slow it down. Okay, okay. Damaging. Now, is there any errors? Where is the server? Which one's the server? No, oh. Playing classes, no. Why is playing class? No. I did ship class, not... Oh, that's annoying. Okay, let's clean up. Oh, that's annoying. So I need to do that all over again. All that testing. Dot plain cache. That would have been bad if I... Oops, it's meant to do it for 2 people. Oh dear. Okay. So, Roblox and their stupid GUI. That's why I don't need this. And then, where's number 2? Is this number 2? Okay, so this guy is spawn an airplane. We're just gonna take off super slow. And then this guy will go here. Oh, I spawned 2 airplanes. Oops. That's fine. Now I'm gonna faster. I click Control A. So Annoying Roblox! And I... this sucks! Okay. Where's the other airplane? It's right here. Let's just get this over with. No, come on. But how did that not hit? Okay, we'll go... Here, well, in this one we'll go a bit faster. So it's easier for me to get behind. Okay. See, I hit it like a lot of times. And I was erroring. Why is it doing this? Why is it no? Attempt to index nil with damage. So plane class is nil. Heart dot parent why should it be nil? Okay, I'm just gonna like move prints because prints are annoying. And now there's these other super annoying prints. This one. Main module. Do when searching for target. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll remove these. Main module dot plane cache. Self dot player is self. So in the main module, oh, let me guess, I didn't save my changes. Actually, no, because it was testing. I'm just trying to think on why it's no. Because, so if part.parent, so in the airplane, if the part it hits is parent.plane, then plane class should equal module dot plane cache part dot parent dot name. Okay. I hate that. Okay, it's fixed now. Ah, it's so annoying. Stupid dot name. Let's go back to 2 players. Wow, I am so hot. Roblox can't fix their stupid GUI. Take off. Fast. And then we will go this one. Jump. Go here. So now it should work. There's no reason why it shouldn't. That is loud. Ooh, gone a bit too fast. You can't pitch up or down when speeding up or down. Okay. It should one-shot the airplane. It works! That means I'm gone! Yes! The airplanes work. They work. Oh, that's it. I'll have to fix that. But now this one, let's go and just do a victory run at killing an NPC. The first plane shot down on Strike Force. You were all here to see it. Stupid thing to do this. Ooh, I almost hit the water. We should do AA guns. Oh, how cool would that be? Actually, AA guns shouldn't be that hard. I just thought about it. Because, like, I already have the code for the targeting for the boats. My laptop died. Okay, guys, my laptop died, so I can't see chat. So I don't know if you guys are saying anything. So be nice to each other, okay? L. What if we... I click Control A again. Okay. Enough playing around. Let's try AA guns. Clean up. So weird. Stupid thing. Come on. Ow. Okay. That's not working. I'll fix that later. Come on. Accidentally unplugged it. What? It's not dead. It's almost full battery. Okay. So, what now? AA? Do we want to do AA? Okay, guys, should we do AA today? Or another time? Because I am really hot right now. But what do you guys want to see? Today or another time? How long did stream? We stream an hour 30. That's actually a decent time. Do I? Okay. Do I? Yeah. I was streaming a lot today. You can see the graph here. Well, thanks for watching. We did get a lot done. I'll do AA another time. Or just do it off stream. But thanks for watching. I also had 800 subs a little while ago. But see ya another time. Bye.